Hello everybody, how are you today? Welcome to Earth vs. Mankind YouTube channel. While southern Europe languished in extreme heat, northern Europe was chilled, plummeted to 6 Celsius as snow fell in the mountains and high valleys. Snow plows clear away 30 centimeters of hail. At first glance, it looked like a thick blanket of snow. Reutlingen city center was covered by hail on Friday. A meteorologist from the German weather service classified the storm as not exceptional. Accordingly, a comparatively small storm cell had formed shortly before Reutlingen. Because it was only moving slowly, a lot of hail was beating down on the city within a very short time. The grains had a diameter of up to 1.8 centimeters. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, guys, so much for your support recently.